national party. I beg you, future troubles that we don't need that.
I think I'm going to boom. I'm going to say, I'm going to dead pan that. But I'm not against a lifestyle. The two of we are for political cause. Nothing wrong with that. We can move forward. We're not against that. So you know, tell people when you come in my inbox and this and that, I flirt road. I talk about, I hope you woman see the message. Somebody like this I text you. So if you never have an agenda, why the fuck you don't message them? If you have an agenda, make you message them kind of weird. Because it's at a dance. And for just a reason of politics, I even inbox me and I think that. That's the argument that would come out of your mouth. But guess what? You test the water. Y'all come tell me about how much straight man I look to me. I say, where the fuck you tell me this for? Nah, it's your business now. You just start telling me about, right now, man in my inbox, I message you, I said, don't this father, I don't want to tell all this.
Gabriel want Pete the Browning. And that man that never gonna give $1 billion to. The Magia man we in a next popular, the top PNP communicator in our next top PNP vlogger box at flirt round, and I tell him how much man I look him, and I him who want take hard working people tax dollar give for content. Mark Golden is the weakest leader. At that the man, the Mark Golden make every top PNP member. I say happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Brian, it is me. Happy anniversary. It is me. Happy other year. I don't know foot type I talk about Andrew Wellness PFA. Get money for care, people at Jamaica and get some agreement and some agreement. Look at the face on the party. Weak leader. Weak. And when you look, uno run company platform. Uno run company platform and a capture things in a parliament. I get to him for propagate the whole lies and to spread lies and misinformation and disinformation. Uno give him sneak preview. What? We are work for the same political organization, so you make that pass. You make a man a look you because you never. What? I wish man could have so brazen. I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon. Look how you going to. Look at the party. The People's National Party are implode. No leadership. And here it comes now to the point where we, in my opinion, damaged one of the most powerful voices in our party. Totally, because the general feel like say him have to go so extreme to win the election. And of course, my big man, I know him I do. But it only came about because of weak leadership, because there was no leader to say another something that we are do. If we did run a decent campaign against Andrew Holness, I think we not even do better than we do. Because I remember when Andrew won in 2016, it was very close. But we run a campaign pan a kettle movement, pan a mockers movement. We run a campaign pan lies and tear down. And we still try the same thing we failed. We run the campaign pan Andrew Holness money away him have, and the people them say, we don't give a F. Because we can't prove to us thief $1 out of the public purse. And we still try the same old thing. So all we do, recruit some, because the vlogger they want to have from the last election, they're not able. Some of them are literally mad people who walk up and down, want to scrape up. Want to scrape up some mad people, belly a grung them. You can't see say them adjust, them don't know how to communicate. One when you're tiny, you know say she not have no teeth. She hardly can it's sad. Like, when you go for Noel, I'm trying to help you. In last one, like a few weeks, him have to run left, because when you go on him platform and tell each other about mama, and if you can suck out, and in the night make like one little boat in the pan. I'm a man, you got the tone down man, you got the tone down Nate. So totally, we don't hear about them dunce can't read one day. We don't send some now we can read, some more whale and shark. Where spread more lies, spread more propaganda. So the thing say removing the dunce them. For bring people who can read. For spread more false information. Now go catch up on you. Then when the road them fix up and when the hospital them don't fix up. What them lies they are going to do? How them lies they are going to help the People's National Party? Because the election was September 3rd. And we're not even 1 year in yet. And we already start fix up the road them. We now can campaign for Cornwall Regional Hospital because it go done. What are we going to do? We now can't talk about the hospital again because we are going to start build public hospital. What is going to happen with the PNP? The best thing I can tell you now, because the country needs balance. The country needs balance. You cannot tell me that you only voted against the Naira bill because Andrew got thief the money. Because you are professing or putting forward a preconceived notion. So when that not happen, when you going to tell your constituents them? You going to tell them, say, me think Andrew got thief the money? When you say the leadership weak people, how me if have my team? Yeah? I say them now support something because something may happen. That is not a tangible reason. If me I go say me now support drinking water, it can be because something may. It has to be because poison in the water. It has to be because outbreak or whatever in the water. Some algae or something. Me can't come tell and say it may. Because chances are it may not happen. So you have to go to the people and tell them, say, me they think Andrew got thief the money. So that's why I voted against your interest. I voted against your interest for you to get better roads and get your house fixed back and get roof on your house and get your supermarket and your thing them up and running and your hospitals them and your this and your that. And I lend such and such some money so they can build back. And I go over and give some grant over there so I get some container house and see the container house them on a bar for see them here now because we never want to just push them pound, you know, and we never make certain so we put it somewhere where we are not fear land. So we have to make sure so the people where get the container house. You have to make certain say, I feel land in the pan. Because the government can't go just put it on which part they live because maybe at least they lease the land. So the government can't just come take up the container house and come throw down, come give you so. And that now go take 1 week for just know. It now go take 2 weeks for know. So and then they have to put on the base and then they have to bring it in. And them have to make certain say all of the things them in it no hazardous. They have to make certain say AC is fitted in it because a container steel. So you know in night time when the heat come down, the heat wave you're dead in there. And then they go cuss and just give your container house a burn up in. So there are things, but when the house come now and the people get the house, how you go campaign on that? The people will say, no, I got one, I'm good, I'll vote Andrew. And we make certain so we take it out of our hands so we can't sabotage the government. That's why we never want Nara. Because Andrew smarter than Uno is a real leader. He identified the problem and the procurement and the way Uno try stop everything we might do. So him just take it out of Uno hand. I say me I go call the shots. Jamaican people put it on me. And the team when me I select or elect to carry out the mandate, yeah, me I make certain say me put the people me know so can carry it out. And anybody now perform up to par, gone. That is a leader. And you will say SYM, but we don't have a SYM leader. Mark Golding is a SYM leader. Big up on